I will never look at car chases the same way after seeing this. Get ready for the ultimate thrill ride. Imagine the roar of engines, tires screeching on asphalt, and the pulse-pounding tension of split-second decisions. Our hero weaves through traffic, dodging obstacles and outmaneuvering the relentless pursuers. Every turn, every gear shift could mean the difference between freedom and capture. The cityscape blurs as speeds climb, and the stakes couldn't be higher. Narrow alleys, crowded streets, even daring jumps. Nothing is off limits. Pedestrians gasp, cars swerve, and the sense of urgency is palpable. Suddenly, a hairpin turn. Will they make it? The sound of crashing metal is deafening. But wait, our hero emerges unscathed, more determined than ever. This isn't just a chase. It's a battle of wits, a test of nerves, and a race against time. Feel your heart race and your adrenaline spike as the pursuit reaches its climax. Buckle up, action lovers, this ride's far from over.